One Marksman disc detain lock, keys, locked, unlocked. Shouldn't be those. Just going to notice at the bottom, as my friend Solomon would say, zero the discs first. Shouldn't need that. I'm going to do it right-handed, so it might take a little bit longer, but it should be easier for everyone to see. Right, so I'm going to just try and turn it so you can see what I'm doing. Slightest bit of tension, literally just rest your fingers on it. Start at the back, just try and so you can see what I'm doing. There's one. That one seems to be set, so I'll leave that one for the time being. There we go. That easy. Hope you enjoyed. I've had a shave, so Big Beard out.